Are you looking for doing something in Premiere Pro, editing a video? Well, you're in the right place, and subscribe to my videos and we will help you do that. Do subscribe to A's Design Studio and you'll be a pro.
Hello, my name is Ananthi and this is my windmill pulley system. So we were supposed to do simple machines and I made the windmill pulley system. So we're doing this so we learn gears, pulleys, levers, more stuff I can't really remember. So I'll just tell you a little bit about my windmill machine. The pulley system has two wheels with grooved compartments on which a string is woven on one end of the string. On the other, a weight is attached. So here are the two wheels, one over here and one on the top. And here's the string that's attached. And here's the weight. The function of the pulley system is to lift heavy objects. It also makes the fan to rotate when force is applied. So here's the fan. I'll give you a little demonstration. So here it is moving up and the fan is moving. And then I'll put it down. We assume this will work with wind force. However, the current prototype works manually. Thank you for watching my windmill. I really liked this simple machine. Thank you.
Hi, this is Premiere Pro CC and these are the menus. This is your properties window. Here you will see what's happening to your videos that you put or clips that you put on the timeline, which is this over here. You have your library and all your files you can see over here. File, import, and select your folder. I'm going to use gear, PNG, and open. This is your project bin, and to select your media files, you press Control, and you can select all the media files that you want to put in on the timeline. You just drag the files and put them on the timeline here. To insert text, simply go to the type tool. You can have a vertical or a horizontal type and type in, so I'm going to type in windmill pulley system. And with the help of your arrow tool, you can try and see the whole thing. You can move it to whatever position you want. You can actually manipulate it from the effects control panel by moving it left, right, or up and down. Or you can scale it from 0 to whatever size you want. And then you can also rotate it up and down. To use the effects control panel and put keyframes, you simply press on the circle button here, and you can see a keyframe appears on the timeline for this effects control here. And add another keyframe and change the position, so the position goes maybe down and across a bit, so your animation will move from left to right. Inserting graphics from the library, just go to the Essential Graphics panel and your browser. Get graphics from the Adobe stock, or if you have your own templates, you can bring those as well. There are free as well as pre-paid graphics as well. What I used for this pulley and string was the call out. So I'm going to select the call out and then simply drag it on top of my timeline. And I will type Premiere Session 3, and that's your main text. And I want to also type in the optional text as Module 3 Graphics. And that will change the graphics there. Yeah, you can change the origin for your X position. Your end by. To edit a video and using the cut tool and transitions, if you want to trim, you can use the trim tool just to move left and right, and then it will be trimmed. What you can also do is use the razor tool, and wherever you want to trim it, let's see. And this is where I wanted to actually cut just before her hands go out. It's always a good practice to cut on action, and so then the next video that you would insert would match with this one. To add transitions to your videos, just go to the project bin and effects panel, and then you will see video effects and video transitions. If you open the folder for video transitions, you will see a lot of transitions here, and you can use any one of those. Let's use the dissolve dip to black. So you see that we just simply dragged the transition onto the clip, and then it will dip to black. It will finish off. For audio editing, the same panel and folders, audio effects and audio transitions, will give you a lot of tools to edit your audio. Use the simple pen tool to manipulate audio. What the pen tool allows you to do is it will allow you to fade in and fade out audio. So simply you pick the pen tool and then create a keyframe and one more keyframe, and manipulate the first keyframe to level 0 so that it fades in. The same way you can fade out by using other two keyframes and lowering the end keyframe below 0 dB, and so that it will fade out. And you can see the audio can be easily manipulated and transition added.